After discovering that the admission offer letters from their educational institution were false, more than 700 Indian students could be expelled from Canada. When the students filed for Canadian permanent status, the deception was revealed. These letters were false, according to the Canadian Border Service Agency, CBSA, which investigated the supporting documentation used to issue their visas. Welcome to Canada Express Entry News Channel, guys. This is where we bring you the latest Canada Express Entry immigration news and updates. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our Canada immigration news, information, tips, and updates. The majority of the students arrived in Canada to attend school in 2018 and 2019. Many of them had already finished their education, obtained work authorizations, and accumulated experience in Canada. The Indian students had sought study visas through Education Migration Services, which is based in Jalandhar, according to Canada National News. Brajesh Mishra, the director of the consulting company, charged students thousands of dollars to cover the costs of completing their college and visa applications as well as tuition. Mishra has vanished, and the company's Jalandhar office has been shut down. Sadly, some education agents prey on students seeking to study and work in Canada in order to gain a chance at permanent residency. These agents accept payment in cash, do not sign a contract, and are not licensed. Once in a while, you do get into unscrupulous actors who try to take advantage of overseas students. These individuals are usually from other parts of the world and are challenging for Canadian law enforcement to catch. Immigration Minister Sean Fraser told a local radio station, "It's horrible to watch the behavior of some of the promoters throughout the world. The only individuals legally permitted to provide immigration advice and services for a charge are qualified attorneys and consultants listed with the College of Immigration and Citizenship Consultant, CICC. Additionally, education agents must hold a CICC license." Usual scams for international students. The students from India were a victim of what is known as a ghost consultant. Ghost consultants are individuals posing as representatives from educational institutions or unregistered immigration agents. They provide services to international students, in this case, in exchange for a charge, and, after receiving payment, they ghost the victim by disappearing. People who are applying for work permits, study permits, or permanent resident status may fall victim to this kind of fraud. Phishing scams should also be avoided by students. They frequently involve asking for sensitive personal information via email or text message. Additionally, an automated phone threatening legal action due to their immigration status may be received. Fake employment offers to students are rather widespread. Scammers take advantage of the fact that international students frequently need to pursue part-time jobs to help pay for their studies. If they pay a fee or provide personal information to a recruiter, students may receive offers for positions they did not apply for. Finally, there are con artists who take advantage of the housing needs of overseas students. They contact foreign students before they come to Canada, promise fictitious housing in exchange for a deposit, and then vanish, leaving the students without housing or in appalling conditions. Ways to avoid scams as a potential international student. 1. Do your research. It is better to hang up. Research the organization's contact information, and make a direct phone call to them to confirm if you have any doubts about an automated call, email, or text that sounds menacing. 2. Avoid cheap lies. As a general guideline, avoid believing anything that seems too good to be true. A high-paying job offer that you did not apply for instance, is probably a hoax. 3. Do not rely on social networking alone. Social networking is not regarded as a reliable source for locating immigration advisors and agents. Because it is more challenging to confirm their identity, scammers frequently use social media sites to pose as immigration service providers or government organizations. 4. Try to employ the services of a licensed immigration lawyer. Students from abroad who want to study in Canada or who are having issues with their study permits should speak with a licensed Canadian immigration lawyer. An adept immigration attorney can assist overseas students with properly completing applications, represent the applicant in communications with the Canadian government, and ensure that the applicant does not make any mistakes during the immigration process. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more Canada Express entry news and updates like this one. See you in our next video.